Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, you got a real yank on it.
Yes.
I need somebody stronger than me.
Yes, you have to.
I'm coming back in,
buy
so.
the house before we let you out.
On a pivot, okay. How big is that? What are we at?
Gosh, it
Is this a 40?
I think it is 42.
Okay. 42.
By.
Our windows are at.
I think that's 8.
What about our windows? 8-foot windows?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because this is a 10-foot ceiling right here.
Okay. 10-foot standard throughout?
Yes.
Okay.
And then we've got different areas. Some of these have the cathedral, obviously,
Yeah.
and then we did 14 feet in the master.
I'm trying to remember all this because I'm going to be doing it on a video.
I was going to say, and we will be taking a video of this. The videographer is supposed to come on Tuesday, and then it'll be posted on our website.
Yeah,
So,
I do this as well for my social media, promoting me, and to let people know what's out here and the different builders. So I'm going to come back in here, close that, just not all the way because I don't have to like look stupid trying to open it. All right, guys, today we're back up at Chatham Hills up in Westfield. We are at the Old Town Design Group. This is a full custom property here. It is 5 beds, 6.5 bath, 8,148 square feet. So let me go tell you how many square feet are on each level here. We've got the main level, 3,340 square feet. Second level, the two areas combined is 1,468 square feet. And the basement, total basement is 3,340, finished is 1,768, and 1,592 square unfinished. So I'm going to take you in here, guys. I already did a walkthrough on this. Oh, by the way, I'm Devin with... Oh, by the way, guys, my name's Devin Hunter. I'm a realtor here in the Metro Indianapolis area. If you got any questions about anything about properties in the Chatham Hills or anywhere in the Indy Metro area, you'll find all my contact information down below. Feel free to reach out to me. Be glad to help you out. So let's go ahead and let's get this tour started. It is amazing, guys. We got a 42-inch door here. It's a pivot door, if you ever seen one of those. Right up here, pivoting. Okay.
So yes, it's because of the lot.
Is it only the control phone that works?
Yeah, and that's where.
Okay, guys, we're currently on the main level. We've got an open concept. It's going to be 10 feet throughout as far as ceiling heights. 14 foot in the bedroom, in the primary, and I'll show you that. We have a large open area, a lanai. You can see the gas fireplace going over here. So let's do a real quick tour, and I will start off over in the primary downstairs. Tell you a little bit about it, and you're going to be in awe when you see the primary ensuite. Okay, it's amazing. Here, look at this view out here. Chatham Hills sits up here on a golf course as well, and you'll see the golf course right out there. All right, so let's go ahead and go into the primary bathroom. Water closet. You have a door there to close it off. 8-foot doors. This. Okay, let me get back over here so you can see this shower. Amazing. Got a tub there. 1, 2 shower heads, and then you've got rainfalls above as well. Your controls, handheld there, natural light coming in. Once again, guys, this is a full custom property. Here's the primary closet. Primary bedroom is 16 by 16. The bathroom is 16 by 13 with the primary walk-in closet 12 by 15. So we're going to go up to the primary retreat directly over the primary bedroom. Once again, this is 5 bedrooms, 6.5 bath, 8,148 square feet. This is like a crow's nest up here. See if we can go out here. Oh. Nice heavy doors. Beautiful area. You got your sink, a cooler, some extra cabinets, another bathroom. So you could actually have somebody staying up here if you'd like. Okay. Closet area. This is a blank slate up here, so you can basically do what you want here. Look at the ceiling of the cathedrals there. Okay, now let's go downstairs. Show you the kitchen. Kitchen area is 22 by 15. There's a pantry, a butler pantry that's directly behind the main kitchen area. The island is 9'6". So you have a refrigerator, freezer separate here, melee appliances. So cappuccino, coffee maker, and your microwave. Now check out this sink here. This is amazing. Everything can be removed out of this if you'd like. So you can be washing vegetables over here. You'd be cutting, throwing everything in if you'd like. Amazing. So you got another cooler there. Perfect idea for drinks. Do your pan.
Yep. Yep. I would say fly it that way. You can.
Okay guys, now here is the butler pantry area. The area that you could actually do all the work in. And a lot of these custom homes like this, they're actually having a stove put back here and refrigerator to do all the work behind the scene. And then the other kitchen out here, this is just a showpiece. Now this property isn't this way, but you could do that. This is completely custom, so you can do that kind of thing at this property. All right, here is the garage. It is a 3-car garage, a 2-door and a 1-door, and then you have a single door right here, which could be dual, single, golf cart. This is all in the exterior. Guys, I did confirm here, it is a 12 to 14 month build time for the custom. Bring your own financing. They don't offer financing only on spec properties. They offer financing. So if you're able to afford a 2.6 plus property with Old Town Design Group, you're going to be bringing your own financing. Just a great area up here, guys. Great area. This area up here was part of the 2023 Homeorama. So there's a lot of custom home builders up here. A lot to offer. You can see all kinds of designs up in this area. So it's like a banquet, it's like a buffet with so many different builders, so many different ways you can build a property, custom. If you need any help, let me know. Here's a property over here with flat roofs and peaks. This has a flat roof also with a... So you're just seeing all kinds of different designs up here.